really just a collection of stories that I like to tell. Some of the songs I've chosen are songs that I've sang for years since I was 15, but they've never been properly recorded or released. And then other songs are written like a week ago.
When will you bring me my love? Counting down the days. When will you bring me my love? All along the wild Atlantic way.
You just kind of hope that people will get it and they'll feel the love. That's what it is. So me being in the studio, not performing in front of people, I just hope that they'll feel the love that I have in my song.
It's not just what you're born with, it's what you choose to bear. It's not how big your share is, it's how much you can share. It's not the fights you dreamed of, those you really fought. It's not how much you're given, so what you do with what you've got. It's not just what you're born with, it's what you choose to bear. It's not how big your share is, it's how much you can share. It's not the fights you dreamed of, those you really fought. It's not how much you're given, it's what you do with what you've got. It's not how much you're given, it's what you do with what you've got.